So hi everyone, my name is Kim Lewandowski, and I'm a product manager at Google. I work with Dan and Christy on the Tecton project. Are we up there? Nope. Cool. So today we're going to be talking about securing the software supply chain. So here's what an ideal software supply chain looks like. And the software supply chain is dealing with the flow of assets needed to build, test, release, and operate your code in production. So usually there's a lot of participants involved during this whole process. So this diagram is actually a contribution from Kay Williams. She did a similar talk at our CD Summit in Barcelona. Kay works at Microsoft, so you can see that Microsoft has concerns about securing your software supply chain too. So this is how it should work. Everything should come in through one place. People build software, they store it, they combine that to build other software, and then they deploy it. But in reality, this is what it looks like. Software comes in from everywhere. We copy and paste from Stack Overflow. Anyone else guilty besides me? Using untrusted packages from the internet, one here, one over there, and then you have no idea what's running. There's no supply chain, and it's definitely not secure. So what do we need? We need tools and best practices for securing these supply chains. We need to know where software is coming from. We need to be able to restrict access to resources and have a full audit trail of everything that's going on. We need to be able to comply with policies and regulatory requirements. And we need to make sure we can do all of this as part of our CI/CD processes without having to compromise developer velocity. And so we believe, as part of the CDF, that we can work with industry leaders to provide these guidelines and implementations to secure software supply chains. And so the first thing we think we need to do is work together to define a number of security levels. So here's an example of what this might look like. And then once we have a general agreement on these levels, we can start providing implementations of them. Cool. So if this is interesting to you or you want to learn more or help out, feel free to come chat with us. Also look for a new security group as part of the CDF. I'm not sure the best place to find this out. Maybe follow us on Twitter, the CD Delivery Foundation. Dan will tweet about it. Or better yet, join the CDF. We have lots of members joining, and users and premium members. So cool, that's it.